one of the avenues of research of my lab is to understand how those changes in biology of the patient actually change the trajectory of metastatic breast cancer. We are actually pretty good now at treating primary tumors of the breast. However, very often happens that in a few years or sometimes decades, you end up relapsing and breast cancer comes up again, usually in a metastatic form. And so, understanding that period where people are technically in remission is very important so that we can prevent the tumor from coming back. And so, we think a lot of that relapse that often occurs many decades after primary tumor treatment is actually caused by changes in the biology of the person, including the aging process. And as we get old, a lot of things change in our body that facilitate tumor cells to come back up again. Everything we do kind of conditions conditions our body in a way. So, if we are exposed to secondary smoke, or if we, depending on what we eat, if we are obese, if there is just so many things that affect one's physiology that we need to take into consideration when we are thinking about treatment of cancer, right? Another example is stress. And these days, we are all very stressed, and stress really affects your body in a pretty dramatic way. So all those things combined, they have a significant effect in the tumor and overall health, right? Except that our main problem now is that we don't quite know what those factors are and how they change the tumor. And that is why it's so important to do this line of research. Our ability to do this kind of research, or any research in general, is really tied to our ability to pay for said research. American Cancer Society provides us avenues to start this research that is more risky earlier and get a benefit also earlier. So it is instrumental to our ability to do what we do.